Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make vada in two ways, one as waffles and other with appe pan. Both does not involve any deep frying. It is such a easy, tasty and guilt-free recipe, perfect for sambar vada. This vada I have made it with appe pan with very less oil, yet it turned out crispy, just like our regular fried vada but with very little oil. Let's jump into the making. Soak 1 cup of urad dal for 2 hours. I use 250 ml cup for this recipe. Once done, transfer it into a blender without the soaked water. Reserve the leftover water for grinding. Grind it with a blender, add cold water little at a time. Mix well each time before adding the water. We need a smooth paste of urad dal. Do not add more water, it may turn too watery for making the vada. Add it to a bowl once done. With this I am going to add 2 to 3 chopped green chillies. Adjust it according to your taste. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger grated. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds for easier digestion. Salt needed. I added 1.5 teaspoon of salt for this recipe. Add half cup of rice flour for more crispier vadas. I am skipping it. You can also add curry leaves and chopped onions if needed. Traditional vada needs only these ingredients. Next I am going to make the vadas with a waffle maker. Drizzle or brush little oil in a preheated waffle maker. Add 3 scoops of the vada batter we have prepared earlier. Spread it well in the waffle maker. Close and cook the waffles now. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes for the overall process. After 5 to 6 minutes, you can see our delicious waffle vada is done. It turned out too soft as we have not added any rice flour or we did not add more oil. These vadas are best suited for sambar vada or curd or dahi vada. As we are going to immerse it in a liquid, it tasted absolutely delicious. We enjoyed sambar vada. Try this oil-free vada waffles today and amaze your family. As you all know, urad dal is rich in calcium and protein. With sambar, it makes a full packed meal. For those who do not have a waffle maker, you can try the same batter in your appe pan. Need not worry on oil absorption as we are not going to deep fry it. I stored it overnight and made vadas in the morning with the appe pan. I add a 1/4 cup of rice flour with the remaining batter for the super crispy vadas. Do not fill the batter till rim, leave some space for it to rise. That is the trick. Try with appe pan if you don't have a waffle maker. With very little oil, it turned out super crispy. We enjoyed it with tomato barnyard millet dosa, sambar and coconut chutney. I have given the link of each in the description. Try this guilt-free vadas today and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description. Enjoy the upcoming Pongal festival with such delicious guilt-free treats. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.